Welcome to EEZBOOK. Here's a step-by-step guide for new users. If you already have a login ID, simply click on the EEZBOOK tab to get started.
Go to Industry Specific. Click on Import. Go to Setup. Then to Import Setup. Click on HS Code Head. You can change head names and account head by simply clicking on yellow button. Click on HS Code. Here you have HS Code Name Sales Tax Add Sales Tax IT, Income Tax at Import Road, Regulatory Duty ACD, Additional Custom Duty CD, Custom Duty Fed Edible Oil Duty Excise Duty Bond Charges.